Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to earn money with Shein. You will be doing this using the Shein affiliate program. In this video, I'm going to be talking about everything you need to know about it, from program details to how to sign up, to commission details and payments. So if you want to hear all of that, just stick with me through the video. I'm going to start off by saying, what is this Shein affiliate program? So, Shein affiliate program is simply you sign up with them, and just like any other affiliate program or affiliate marketing in general, you just sign up with them and then you just get links to their products. Now, once you have this link, you just post it on your page. That could be your blog, that could be your website, your own personal website, that could be on your YouTube channel if you have one, or Instagram, TikTok, it doesn't really matter. Wherever you can just put it and have people click on the link, that works. So let's say you put the link on your YouTube channel and somebody clicks on your link and purchases an item, then you will get a percentage. You get a commission. Now I will be telling you how much this commission is and everything, so just stick with me. But yeah, as we can read here, affiliate program, achieve a win-win situation with your customers by joining our affiliate program. Like we said, you just do the work for them. You pretty much just make an advertisement for them and you get a percentage. It's a win-win situation. So we, one of the biggest online clothing retailers, are looking forward to sharing our resources with you. Earn commissions on all referred sales just by referring customers to Shein.com. Sorry. So that's it. That's all you have to do. And I'm going to be showing you how to sign up right now. First, you may want to wonder or ask yourself, does it cost anything? Absolutely not. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything in order to get started. It's absolutely free. So, in order to get started, you just need to open up your Google browser and you just type in Shein affiliate program. Once you do that, you just scroll down to this sign up publisher program. Just click on it. Now, as we can see here, we have a new publisher program and then already registered and all that. You just want to click on this new to publisher program. Here you need to put just your basic information, first name. I'm just going to put random stuff just to show you how you need to do it, and then you just figure out the rest. So let's just do a tutorial explains. Here you obviously need to put your real name, not like what I'm doing. And then your country, let's just go United Arab Emirates because I reside there for now. Email address, let's just put my email. It's all basic stuff. So, yep, gmail.com, and then just put a password. And then you need to do it again. Bear with me. And then you just click on next. Now, once you're here, you just need to select individual, unless you are a company, but let's just do it individual because that's in most cases. Account name ID. This, we need to put our ID, the name we want to be showcased, basically. And then here you need to put your PayPal account, the one that you want to get paid with through. And I'm going to be talking about the payments later in the video, so don't worry about that. So just put that in there, and then here your account name ID, and then here main promotional market. You just click on that and you have those countries. So you can basically, what they're trying to ask is, where's your viewers mostly from? So you could just go ahead and just go US for now, for example, United States, and monthly average traffic, let's say you get 3,000. So you just put 3 here, and that's it. And then here in the main promotional type, you could click on that. If you have more, by the way, you can add more. It's the more the better. obviously, because once you click on next tier, it's not going to immediately sign you up. You will have to get approved first. So they will see the stats, they will see everything in here. So the more, the better. Right. So main promotional type is basically how are you doing it? Are you doing it via website? If so, you just click on website, and then you just paste your website over here. If not, if you do a video, you click on video. That means YouTube. You just put video, and then you just paste your YouTube channel over here, and so on and so forth. You have all of these options to choose from. So it's very, very simple. You just find whichever one suits your situation most, and you just put in the URL, and that's it. Now, have you ever collaborated with us previously? If you have, just say yes, but now you're learning about it, so I doubt it. So you just put no. And then you just hit next. And then they will basically just evaluate your data over here, and they will approve you soon or later. They will obviously send you a message on the email. So that's it for the signing up process. It's as simple as that. So let's talk about the commissions. So if we can go back here, if we go to the your benefits section, as it says here, it says 10 to 20% commission on each referred item, basically. So that means if somebody goes on to click on your link and buy something, you will get 10% of that actual price. So another thing that you need to know is 30-day cookie duration. What does that mean? What does 30-day cookie duration mean? Simply, it means that from the time that a person clicks on your link, they have 30 days to purchase something. So if they purchased something within the 30-day frame, you will get a commission. If it's more than 30 days, you will sadly not end up getting a commission. So that's what it means. I have a notepad over here that I have just created to make things simple for you. Your earnings rate as a Shein affiliate will vary depending on what products customers purchase. So as I said previously, it says 10 to 20%. It's not always 10%. It could go up to 20%, and that differs between different products. So all of the sales made through your affiliate link are privy to at least 10%. So the very least is 10%, which is very excellent, by the way, in the affiliate marketing genre, or just affiliate marketing network. 10% is very, very good. And commission after the sale is complete. Items will come with commission rates of up to 20%. Like I said, certain items and certain promotional items can go to up to 20%, which is crazy. So I just gave an example over here. $50 with 10%, you will get 5. So if somebody clicks on your link right now and purchases an item which is $50 and the commission rate is 10%, you will get $5. Which is really good considering you would have multiple people coming in, right? So as I said here, you will be compensated for any sales within the next 30 days and from that particular user. So we have the 30-day cookie duration, don't forget about that. And it should be the same user. Now, if somebody clicked on your link and then clicked on a different affiliate link for somebody else, and then they will get paid instead of you, which sucks, but it's the way it is. Now let's talk about payments. The payment method and Shein affiliate program depends on the network you're using, but the one I showed you, mostly PayPal, but you can also do direct deposit or wire transfer. So you have all of those options available for you. Usually it takes 6 weeks to get your earnings. Yes, you heard that right. So if you have a few earnings that you have earned, you will have to wait 6 weeks in order for them to get through to you. So that's all the information I have for you today. So to summarize, Shein affiliate program is free to sign up to. I just showed you how to sign up to it. Just go to the page of the affiliate program and just sign up. Easy and free. It's basically you get links, you paste them on your networks, people click on them, and you get commissions. Simple as that. The commissions are from 10 to 20%, as it says here. 10 to 20%, which is one of the highest websites ever when it comes to this kind of rate. And payment methods, PayPal or direct deposits or wire transfer. So that's it for this video. I hope you benefited from it, and thanks for watching.